Hi everyone, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a delusion order from 3 different spots. I got some stamps, so I'll show you them. This is the first one, wood for trees. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stamps. I love this tree with the circles and the different patterns. I love delusions, and y'all know that. And then you got this like leaf. And you got this tree. You got a star. You got poinsettia leaf. Got this like this tree and then a poinsettia and then this tree. They are the rubber stamps. I got that one. And then I got this one called Any Old Elf. So you got the elf. Look at him. And these elves, I look at the elves. You don't have to necessarily just use these at Christmas. Even a hat, I could kind of, it's got poinsettia going on, but I could see me coloring that where you can't see that or putting something else there. So you got the 2 elves, a little Christmas bulb, this gal, and a bow. And of course, there's the rubber. So them are my new stamps. And then I got the Dylusion Christmas sheets. 24 sheets, includes 12 exclusives. So there's the elves. So cool. The Christmas bulbs and star. Can't wait to color that. It's like watercolor paper. And then you got this one. It says Merry Christmas. It's trees, stockings, snowflakes, holly or poinsettia leaves. You got to look at this reindeer. So cute. 25th, poinsettia leaves. And then the tree and gifts and hearts and snowflakes. The dog, naughty or nice, decisions. The leaves, arrows, or I should say tree, not leaf. Circles. You got the gal, and then you look at the frogs with crowns on their heads, the tree, and Christmas bulbs, and hat. And then you got this way, you got circles like little leaves, a bird, poinsettia leaves, and it says jolly. And then this one's real cute. I love them all, but this one I think is so cute. With the little trees and then the birdhouse and the birds and like the flowers. And then it says Merry Christmas. And then you have this Christmas tree and you got the poinsettia, the leaves going around it. And the little circles. And then the little Christmas bulbs and poinsettia leaves making like the tree. Look close. See? Isn't that cool? And then a little reindeer. Ho, ho, ho. Poinsettia leaves. And I like the little reindeer with his beard on. I don't know if this is a stamp, but if it's a stamp, I want it. Then they got this one. It says Merry Christmas. And then little trees. And then you got 25. And then, of course, poinsettias. And then jolly. And stars. And that be that. Look, as I was looking up at my camera, I think you might not be able to see them all. So I'm going to bring it in closer so you guys can see just a little bit real quick. Harder than I said it was going to be. Trying to. There we go. That's a good angle. We'll go sideways. Ain't it cute? I love that. And then that one. So that is my order, everybody. I thought I'd share that with you. And you know what I'll be doing tonight? I'll be stamping these out and coloring them for future projects. I want to thank you guys for coming in and watching my video. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.